The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 2, Parliament. Legislative Procedure. Article 109. Special procedure in respect of money bills. 1. A money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of States. 2. After a money bill has been passed by the House of the People, it shall be transmitted to the Council of States for its recommendations. And the Council of States shall within a period of 14 days, from the date of its receipt of the bill, return the bill to the House of the People with its recommendations. And the House of the People may thereupon either accept or reject all or any of the recommendations of the Council of States. 3. If the House of the People accepts any of the recommendations of the Council of States, the money bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses, with the amendments recommended by the Council of States, and accepted by the House of the People. 4. If the House of the People does not accept any of the recommendations of the Council of States, the money bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses, in the form in which it was passed by the House of the People, without any of the amendments recommended by the Council of States. 5. If a money bill passed by the House of the People, and transmitted to the Council of States for its recommendations, is not returned to the House of the People within the said period of 14 days, it shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses, at the expiration of the said period in the form, in which it was passed by the House of the People.